Apha kulapho umfundi wedyunivesithi Nelson Mandela Uthandolothu Ndlovu oneminyaka engama-24 ebehlala khona phambi kokuba abhubhe. Lo mfundi obekunyaka wokugqibela kwizifundo ze-industrial chemistry ubhubhe emva kokutyumzwa yimoto yiMercedes-Benz kumbini wedolophu yaseGqeberha. Esi senzo kutyholwa ukuba senziwe ngumphathi wendawo yokuhlala abafundi emva kwengxabano esisibini ebesinayo ngaphaya kwamasango edyunivesithi. Abahlobo kunye noogxa bakhe badibene ngaphandle kwendawo yakhe yokufihla intloko ngeliyokukhanyisa amakhandlela ngelokunika ugxa wabo ongasekhoyo imbeko. Omnye wabahlobo bakhe uTumelo Thukela uthi intliziyo yakhe ikrunekile.
I feel like not only did they take him from us as his friends, they took a son from his mother, a brother from his sister. Not just that, but from our entire economy, because who knows what he was studying. He was in his third year. Next year probably would have been in his final year. He was going to graduate. So not only did they steal from the family as a whole, but they stole from entire nation, from entire economy as well, you understand? So I feel like I just hope that justice prevails, but even if it does, it won't bring him back. That's the thing. You understand? I don't know. Should I feel hurt or should I feel angry? I don't know. But then it's too much. Thando, it was just everything. It was everything, yo.
Unogada kwindawo yokuhlala abafundi nebehlala kuyo uNdlovu umchaze njengomntu wabantu lo mfundi.
Uthando kaloku mazi ndifikele kuyapha eRise ngoApril. So uthando ube ngumntana oright because ngumntana nguye ndiqale ndamazi neetshomi zakho nathi nozifiso ndiqale ndazibona. Uthando ube ngumntana oright, uthando akakaze enze into like uba ukhona apha ayekhona uzobuya bangumsindo engcola eRise. Befika adlule aye ekitchini afudumeze ukutya ugqabomka yolala erumini yakhe. So uthando ayifana ngumntana because xa ephuma late ubesiya shop ifuna beyishiya kum. Ndibuhlungu kakhulu ngothando because ndiyazi but ndibuhlungu ngothando, ndibuhlungu kakhulu ngase ifamily yakhe ixole. Inxeba liselitsha but lizawuvaleka. I-accident yenzeke sinsingenzikelanga apha eRise but bendikhona ebusuku ngala maxesha bendikhona because yenzeke ebusuku. Bafike apha aba bantu ngapha bango-1 so abamfumane ke ngoku then bahamba kanti bazodibana naye ebuya isiza eRise.
Idyunivesithi idlulise amazwi ovelwano kusapho lukaNdlovu.
Nelson Mandela University is deeply saddened by the tragic loss of one of its students earlier this week and conveys its heartfelt condolences to their family and friends. The university has been in touch with the mother of the late student and has been in further communication with the family with regards to any support that they require. The Gateway residence where the incident happened was vandalized by students on Tuesday as a call for justice, with an unknown person leading the protest. The University Student Housing and Protection Services officers, as well as the Student Representative Council leadership, called on the owner to attend to the damages as soon as possible. The university condemns damage to property in the strongest terms and appeals to students to exercise restraint during this very challenging and highly emotional time. The university has also requested that the owner improve security outside the property to protect our students who are residing at the property. Counseling and other psychosocial support remains available to affected students, particularly those who are resident at the Gateway residence. The residence manager has been suspended with immediate effect, pending an investigation by the South African Police Service. In the meantime, he is prohibited from making any contact with the students or witnesses to the incident.
Othethela amapolisa uSandra Janse van Rensburg uthi umrhanelwa usakhululwe ngebheyile.
The SAPS human detectives confirmed that the suspect, 25 years old, reported at the office of the Humid police station on Thursday and was arrested. The suspect appeared in court on Friday and the suspect was released on bail and will appear again in court on the 14th of November 2024.
Uthando Lwethu Ndlovu ubekwe kwikhaya lakhe lokugqibela eNewcastle, KwaZulu-Natal. Kwiindaba zeMpuma Kapa TV, ndinguphelisa Mkhendlana eCentral eGqeberha.